Today we're visiting beautiful Aalborg in Denmark, where Jens and his wife purchased their dream house in November 2020. The family came from a house with a well-functioning fireplace, so they were shocked when it turned out that getting the wood stove in their new home to function properly was almost impossible. Jens Lund Mortensen explains. Shortly after taking over the house, we discovered that when we lit up the wood stove and it had been burning for a while, the whole house would fill up with smoke as the fire died down. Basically, half of the house would get filled with thick smoke, and we had to ventilate for quite a while before we could return. So we contacted our chimney sweeper, who told us that the chimney didn't have enough draught. As he was sure that lack of draught was the problem, we decided to phone our local fireplace shop to ask for their assistance. The manager of the fireplace shop was quick to realize that without a chimney fan from Draught, the chimney and wood stove would never work as intended. A certified technician installed the chimney fan within a few hours, and the system was ready to use soon after. The chimney fan was delivered with a Sense control, making the operation of both the chimney fan and fireplace enjoyable. Now, Jens and his wife are delighted that the fireplace again works as it should. Jens continues, "What I'm experiencing is above and beyond my expectations. It fired up in 5 minutes, burns nicely, and I feel safe with what's going on inside the fireplace right now. So far, I'd say it's been a pleasant experience. Some may argue that a fan is costly, but that is secondary, since it's safety that I'm purchasing, and I'm getting a much more usable product in the form of a fireplace that I'm comfortable with. A chimney fan from Draught ensures an always stable chimney draft, which means carefree coziness by the fireplace and CO2 neutral heating. Visit exodraft-chimneyfans.co.uk and find a dealer near you.